Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest Creator Hub, manage pins and analytics step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pinterest website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. If you're using a mobile device, tap on the Login option in the app. After logging in, find your profile icon at the top right of the page. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Creator Hub. You will be directed to the Creator Hub dashboard. Here, you can view your recent pins and performance metrics. To manage your pins, click on the Pins tab on the left sidebar. Explore your existing pins and click on any to edit its details. To create a new pin, select the Create Pin button. Upload your image, add a title, description, and destination link for your new pin. Once all details are filled, click Publish to share your pin. To analyze your performance, navigate to the Analytics tab in the left sidebar. Here, you can view metrics such as impressions, engagement, and follower growth. Use this data to refine your Pinterest strategy and improve engagement. Always remember to save any changes you make to your pins. That's how you navigate and manage your Pinterest Creator Hub effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step